Add the cut up onion and tomatoes to a pan with heated oil. Add 4 dried oysters. Put everything in a big pot filled with bone broth. Add the corn, the carrots, the soaked dried shiitake mushrooms, the 6 dried red dates, 6 chicken drumsticks. Remove the excess oil floating on top with a spoon. Let it boil on low to medium heat for about 30 minutes. When it's about done, add a handful of soaked dried seaweed. If you have some at home, you can also add a big spoon of Bonito flakes. Right before serving, season it with a little bit of salt.